Welcome, now I got VIVO V20 and now I'm show you how to change sound settings into screen recording. So first step, it's open settings. Then in settings find shortcuts and accessibility, this one, click it. And first option in the list we got S capture, so click it. And here we got screen recording block option. And need choose record sound option. And here we got three options: system audio, microphone audio, and without audio. For example, I choose without audio. So click it and it's saved automatically. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.